Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is October the 11th, 2018, and this is the second sweet potato bin. This one is the one that had the sweet potatoes coming up to the top. You can see it right here. We did cover that back up. It came uncovered again. So we're going to be harvesting this one today. We have 30-degree temps coming. That's going to take them out, and it would ruin the sweet potatoes, so we don't want to do that. I got the tarp laid out here, and these actually went out into the yard here, and they have rooted themselves into the ground. So I wanted to show you that real quick. We're dumping out the barrel here, and apparently they went out the bottom of the container too.
There's a sweet potato at the bottom.
Here, let me come around and show you some real quick. Okay, they grew through the bottom. So that's a sweet potato that grew out the bottom hole there. So we'll get this flipped over here.
And there you get to see what you got.
Including a wheat.
So start taking this apart here and come back in. Here's some over here. See them on the sides here. Mikey, dig.
Wow. It looks like it has some nice sweet potatoes in it.
So we start taking this apart here.
There you go. Start looking.
Oh,
my
Look
goodness.
at that one.
Oh my, wow.
That's a sweet potato.
I got
Yeah.
a nice one too.
No, that was a good one last year, and this was a bad one.
Oh, there's one of them cocoons, Carrie.
Huh?
What kind are they?
Uh,
Look at that.
yeah.
What do you
So
want me
these are the sweet
Bill?
potatoes that we're getting out of this bin here. Look at that thing. That
Yeah,
thing is
look at
huge.
this
It's
guy.
heavy.
That and breaking
Well,
off.
what- What kind of butterfly is this going to be?
A hummingbird moth.
Okay.
Or it might be one of those. No, that's the woolly ones. Like this here.
Mama. That's the kind
There's-
we used to grow when I was a kid because they used to hold them upside my head.
Here, you want to put it in your hand? So that's how big the sweet potato is here. My dad said this is the kind they used to grow when he was a kid that size because they would get so big. Now these are the Bury sweet potatoes. So we're going to see what else we got in the bin. There's another one here. The tail. Oh. What we got here?
Normally we wouldn't take them out once it's wet, but you don't have much choice.
Oops, that one broke. Oh wow, look at these. Pull this here over.
You did on the sides where the heat was, you see it?
Yeah.
Mostly. That's what it seems like. Where the heat was on the sides where the bigger potatoes are. I'm glad you didn't get any of these.
So yeah, this bin didn't get the voles in it like the other one did. Now last year was completely reversed for what bin did better. So I'm curious to see what the third bin of sweet potatoes looks like. We're going to be harvesting that one today then too.
I'm gonna turn it not too long.
There's one, two, yeah. I can't, okay.
The deer must eat that.
So, now these here, the deer were eating the foliage off of them like crazy. You could see how much they ate of them. They were actually just starting to come back. But with the colder weather that we have coming, we don't want to lose the sweet potatoes, so we just took them out. I don't know if you want to look good.
What it would do is go down through and get into the potato.
I told him that. So we're letting the roots in to decompose down into food. We're breaking them up some. Oh, here's one. And we're going to put it back in this bin here. It'll be all ready then for next year. And might plant a cover crop of winter wheat or something in it just to help give a little bit more food. And I did a complete playlist on these for how I started them. Okay, and this is sweet potato bin number 3 here that we're going to be harvesting today. And you can see here it's a wire thing with landscaper's fabric put around it.
No, it's not landscape.
It's, what is it?
Silk fence.
Silk fence, sorry. It's a silk fence put around it, sorry about that. And it was filled up with compost. And we're going to be harvesting this today to see what we get out of it. So I'm pulling out the vines here, and I did get one out here. It broke off, so there's more down in there. We're getting the vines off the top of it, and we're going to be using the tractor bucket to get these here out because this isn't a bin that can be turned over. So we'll be back. So, we did get some out already. We were pulling on the vines. They were coming out. And there's one right there that we're getting out. This is going to be a little bit harder to show the whole thing on camera. So, I'm going to have to show you when we get them all harvested. So, basically what we're doing is we're just going through the entire thing. And you can see there's, my mom found a pile of them there.
I don't know if we want all these tomatoes in there for next year.
So, we'll be back. Okay, so this is the second bin's harvest. This is about 10 pounds here. Now we've laid these out on paper, and we have the dehumidifier running to help dry them off. Now as these dry, we'll get the dirt off of them more. The ground was pretty wet. It had just finished raining, and we had like an inch of rain. Normally we wait till the ground is dry, but with the cold temps coming, we couldn't do that. So back here is the harvest out of the third bin. This is about 8 pounds here, and we're doing the same thing. We're laying them out and letting them dry. As they continue to dry, we'll brush the dirt off of them. So the third bin was planted later, and I don't really think it was fed anything. We've tried growing sweet potatoes in that bin before. Didn't have too much luck with that bin, so we might not be doing that one again. We'll probably just do something different. So I just wanted to show you these here. And there's more of them back there that my mom's putting out for us. So now these here are the sweet potato tails, and you want to use these up first. I did a video on that. I'll leave a link down below for how we clean them, and I give some suggestions for how to prepare them for eating. If you don't use these first, they'll dehydrate, and then you won't get anything out of them. So a few things that happened with that bin. One of them was the ground actually compacted. and the roots really couldn't do anything. And from all the rain this year, the bin was really wet, so the sweet potatoes just kind of sat there for a while. The slips and the plants, they just kind of sat there for a while. They really didn't grow that much. And then with them being planted later, so if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.